In this video, we will compare two popular portable washing machines, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort portable washer and the portable washing machine. We'll explore their specifications, features, and user reviews to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The BLACK+DECKER portable washer offers a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, which can handle up to 6.6 pounds of laundry. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 10 liters, making it suitable for smaller loads. While the BLACK+DECKER is better for larger items, the portable washing machine excels in portability and convenience for light laundry tasks. When it comes to price, the BLACK+DECKER portable washer is priced at $249, reflecting its larger capacity and more advanced features. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $99, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers or those with limited laundry needs. In terms of user satisfaction, the BLACK+DECKER portable washer has a rating of 4.4 out of 5 from over 7,300 reviews, highlighting its reliability and performance. Meanwhile, the portable washing machine boasts a slightly higher rating of 4.6 out of 5, but with significantly fewer reviews, indicating that while it is well received, it may not have been tested as extensively by users. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER portable washer and the portable washing machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The BLACK+DECKER is ideal for those needing a larger capacity and more features, while the portable washing machine is perfect for those seeking a compact, budget-friendly option. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more